Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I am going to show you the live price prediction of Tron TRX. So before starting this video, please kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest videos and news about any cryptocurrencies. As you can see now on the graph, the live price prediction of last 2 hours, the change as a positive 0.23% and the high price of TRX cryptocurrencies and the last 2 hours is $0.05477 and the cryptocurrencies market. Now the current price of TRX is $0.05466 in the cryptocurrency market. So let's see the technical analysis of TRX on the graph. As you can see here, in the start of first hour they falls down, as you can see at their dumping time, but after a passage of time they start jumping upward. As you can see here, small jumping. After some time, after some interval, they again start falls downing, as you can see here. But now they again grows up. As you can see here, they start jumping again. So that is the live price prediction of TRX cryptocurrencies last 2 hours. Kindly click the subscribe button, cross my 2K subscriber. So thank you so much for watching this video.